Alright, in the vehicle. Good workshop. Let's see what we got. Well, happy July 1st. So yeah. Okay, first, this is for July 2026. A lockpick rake cord. I think I already have one. I'm thinking. Not sure. But yeah. Oh, what's this? That is $19.95. Then for $9.95, a Grim Workshop USA Morale patch with hidden pocket. America. That is $9.95. Then for both, for $1.85 each, first we have improvised tweezers with coins. Again. Right. Then we have fire from a battery, which I think I do already hit. No, I have another one. Yeah. Heck yeah. This has always been kept with me because United States, baby. So yeah. Anyway, that is Grim Workshop for July 2026. And yeah, I'm back living in the vehicle again. Yeah. God bless and peace. God's force, who's against us. God bless and peace.